Welcome, Wonder Women of the World. We are here with Winter of Data, Week 2, Mission Update. This is Ilona Budapesti, your Chief Storyteller. I am joined by Ola.
Hola, hi.
And Ilona, hi.
Hello. Let's get started. We have lots and lots of updates for you. If you are watching live, please type in where you're watching from and what time it is for you. And if you're watching the replay, well, you can do the same. All right. So I thought we would look at let me know if you see it. Yes, I think I'm successful here. Okay. I'm actually, oh, you should see my face though, because it's quite exciting. Ooh. Okay, well, we'll just start with the update. We'll give you updates on the server and login issues. Then I would like Ola to share the Mothers of Community course, the training video, and the leaderboard that was created so that all of you who started and are asking how to help have an idea. I'd like to give you a little bit of a course update. We have beautiful assistants. And I'd like to go through the datathon, see if you have posted any interesting projects. I just muted Ola. Then we will have a memberships update, and I would love to close with mission numbers. Irina has a very rich slide deck for us. If she's willing to share, we can close with that. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm going to stop just for a moment because the login issues I need to tell you about. Okay, so I'm very excited to say that the launch of the Winter of Data has practically fried our shared server. I mean, we were clocking CPU usage about, well, we had a quota of 40,000 CPU units per day, and I think we were clocking around 300,000. So basically, we got flagged by the host and got kicked out. And so I'm very excited to say that this week I was able to move us onto our very first own cloud server. And we're still fixing, but I think that you can feel that the open courses, so the daily data courses and the website in general is just much faster. I feel it's almost an order of magnitude faster. And that's because we now are not sharing server, it's our own, and I'm just so excited. This means we're playing with the big girls, or we are the big girls. So it's huge. It's huge, and I want to thank everybody who has helped to sort of spread the word and calm people. We are a small nonprofit. It's really the three of us plus Anita half-time helping all of you. And my goal is to have all of the courses again working by Monday, but until then you can do the datathon. So that's the plan. Okay, Mothers of Community. Ola, I'm happy to share my screen, or you can do it. What would you like? You're muted.
You can share the screen.
Okay,
I would just like to make a small lecture about Polish language, because I mentioned that somewhere, but I don't know if Mothers of Community are aware of that. But the first 3 letters of Mothers of Community means moc, which in Polish it means power in the meaning of energy. For example, if there are some mothers, parents, you will know that Elsa from the Frozen doesn't in Polish doesn't tell about let it go, doesn't sing about let it go. She sings Mam te moc, so I have the power.
Mam te moc.
Yeah, Mam te moc. And Yoda from Jedi Knights from Star Wars, when you say may the force be with you, in Polish it sounds niech moc będzie z tobą. So this is how powerful those women are, and how powerful position it is. So I would like to thank all of the Mothers of Community who worked so hard. The numbers are raising dramatically. I don't know if the dramatically is the right word, but they are increasing incredibly. We have right now 170 mothers of community. So now all we need is to have more reports.
Let's go through the course. So if you go into courses, there is the Mothers of Community level 1.
Yes.
Level 2 and level 3 is in the making, by the way.
Yep.
So we really appreciate your feedback and your questions, because those will be made into the course. Okay, so please, if you are just starting out, go through this one.
There are 3 for mothers of community who are just starting. There are 3 forms for you to fill in. The first one you fill in just once. This is the form with your data, so we can communicate. We can be in contact with you. The another 2 are for reporting. Please report any of your activity on social media. If you want to share the link of, for example, Winter of Data, if you want to share with the company, organization, or with the group on Facebook, also please report it. Those reports are important both for us and for you, because we want to know how much, how big impact each of you has. And also we want to be fair for everyone, so that everyone can be on the leadership board. This is another thing that we are having here. A little bit lower down below, there is a link to the leaderboard. Oh, and there are 2 more videos about. I'm sharing with you how I report
Yes.
social media activity.
So this is a sample in detail. Before you jump into it, please look through it. If you have any requests, please share. We will make more videos. And here is this the leaderboard? Oh yeah, let's have a look at the leaderboard. It's quite exciting actually, because it's using Google
Data Studio.
Oh yes, Irina made this. Let's see. And it's coming. And this is live. So ideally when, oh yes, this increased yesterday. I think this is live, Irina, right? So for example, if anybody watching right now goes back to the tracker and submits a tracker, who is watching? Imane, Fadime, Ostopra, Gabi, Sanaeram, Sidratul Montana, Gabi, Anila, KTK. Hi, everybody. Then these numbers will increase. And our goal is to, over time, build up more and more live dashboards. So this is the first one. And so round of applause for Ola and Irina. This is already your creation.
Mara is there. Hi, Mara. If there's Mara watching us, hi. There's amazing Fezi. This is amazing girl who attended our office hour, my office hours on Monday. So if you have any questions, thanks to this amazing girl, those 2 videos were created, and also more content to the course added, because she made me realize that even though we were trying to be as clear as possible, there are still questions about that. So thank you a lot. Thank you for attending office hours, and also to all of you mothers of community. If you have any questions or would like to talk to each of us, because each of us has office hours during the week, please check the Winter of Data calendar. I'm
going to show that in a moment. It's just one thing I noticed. Mara, for example, has used her name differently in different places. I think we can go in there and fix it. So we can change this down here to this one, and then she will have 5. And for everybody else, I think if we use the full name, that's a good idea. Why is this one doubled? Maybe there's an empty space after here we don't see. I don't know.
Probably. So I will retype it so that the names can be all in one place.
But this is amazing. This is amazing. So out of the 117 people who have applied as Mother of Community, these 2 are us, but the other 15 or so, about 15 have activated yourselves. You're amazing. Thank you. You're amazing. And actually, there's a lot more. I know you don't report everything that you do. I know you do a lot more than this. So Amazing. Okay, and then for the calendar, we started something new, which is we're trying office hours for yourselves, mothers of community. You'll see here, and they are at very different time zones to help you. I understand not everybody can come, you know, let's say during Friday 10 a.m. So Ola is doing a European time, which is 4 a.m. my time here. Then there is an afternoon one. Then there is a late night here, which I think is Irina. 11 p.m. Pacific time. I'm doing one here at 6 p.m. So please choose. If you need help, come and hang out. Okay. What else? There is a tracker for the organic outreach as well, but I think maybe it's better to do the outreach once the servers are completely working.
Yeah.
Can single, not mothers, women join mods? Is Imane asking.
Of course, everyone can be a mother of community, even
Yes.
if you're single, even if you don't have children. Ilona says that I'm a grandmother of community, but I hope I look a little bit younger. I'm not a grandmother yet.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. I'm going to stop the screen share. That's a very good question. So for those of you who don't quite know, Mother of Community is a play on words a little bit about the Game of Thrones popular TV show. Now, we don't want to take that too far because I think in a TV show there is a lot of like fighting and so on. But the concept is that there is the main character, the female character is mother of dragons. And so you can be a mother of community without it's not, it doesn't mean it has to be a mother who's doing it. It means that this is your baby and you're taking care of it. So that's what it really means. It's a community manager volunteering position. And we decided instead of calling it community manager, which it is, it's a bit more exciting if we call it mother of community. And plus it means power in Polish. So that's just a bonus. Okay, great question. Thank you. Imane, 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. Is that clear? Michelle Caballero. Hi. Okay, I think the next update, I will share the screen again. Sorry, where is the update? Mission update. Okay. Course update. What I wanted to say about the courses is some of you have asked, why is it password protected? Why can I not join yet the daily data? That's because those will become available each day. So Monday through Friday, we release one daily data video, and that's when they will become available. So don't worry, please pass on the message if you see online or on social media, if people are worried about it. The goal is to give a little bit of new content every day so that you can come back and interact with it and each other. Okay, Datathon update. Let's have a look. Are there any questions so far about the GitHub Datathon? I would love if you've seen any questions out there. If you could raise it to us live, I would really appreciate it. Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Okay, well then we need to fix it. Are there any questions so far about the GitHub part? Let me see. Now things make sense. Thanks. Yes, everything is here. Wonderful, Imane. Great. Unable to access any of the daily data, says Sana Aram. Really? I have joined mods for Summer of Code, Sidratul Montana. Can I work with Winter of Data too? Absolutely. Absolutely. If there are no questions, then I would say once you have gotten here to the Gender Gap Datathon section, then the way to get your data is the last part of the checklist. So when you get here, get data from the GitHub Classroom, this is how you would start. Oh, let me just hide this for a second here. Please note, it's best if the team leader opens it and then the team leader invites any others if you wish to collaborate. Hello, flowers, Bafai Hashem. Hi. Bafai, hi from Morocco. if there are no questions here, then I'm going to move on to the next one and then figure out how to fix the forum. Mission update. Datathon, memberships update. Okay, well, let's check if it works. The idea was that the gold membership application forms are open. And some of you have already expressed your interest. This is no. If you go to 1million-tech.com/gold, it should have the conditions and the details. Yeah, the form is active. You will need to be logged in and then you can apply for the membership. This is not binding really at all. It is just for us to know what kind of interest there is out there. So that is it. And the plan is that we will run a window of gold membership openings around International Women's Day. So that's March 8th. That's the idea. Yeah. Until then, we hope that the whole website should be up and running, that you'll be able to get support as a gold member. So basically, we want to give ourselves time, again, because it's only 3.5 of us running this whole thing. We want to give enough time for ourselves to give you a good experience. And then if that's ready and when that's ready, then we open these up. Any other questions? How can I participate in the Datathon? Please watch the onboarding video for the Datathon because I talk for about an hour about how to do that. And the way to see this, Rafael, Fadima gave us 4 claps, thank you. Rafael, is it Hachem or Hachem? Hachem. You're going to have to teach me. But the way to find that is 1million-tech.com/the Gender Gap Datathon. So right here is the announcement video. It's about an hour, and then it links to the GitHub on the bottom. Okay, so this is how you would get started. Very good question. Thank you. It's basically open to everybody. All you need is an account of Women to Tech, which means we need to allow you to create your account. Okay, that's it from me. Irina?
Okay, should I share my screen?
Yeah, I think so. So the last part is a number-based mission update. Irina actually went
nuts.
Yeah, I asked for just a little bit, and she grabbed a lot of excellent data for us. So we're going to share this with you. This is more to show you behind the scenes, and also because you mothers of community, and actually everybody, every one of you learning, this is how you are impacting and achieving the mission and supporting the women's cause. And this is just part of the story, but at least it gives us some indication. So Ira, take us away.
Yeah, so that's a lot. There are certain slides, so I won't go into depth on all of them. I just wanted to show you that we had many sessions and users during the period from 11th to 25th. And
is it possible to click the present button? I think it's fine to go big. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we had a spike on the 14th when the winter data started. That is logical. And also we have 22% conversion rate. So the number of people who saw the form and the number to the number of people who converted, who filled it. And there you can see a lot of numbers, but I don't think that if you would like to know them better, please shoot me an email and I will explain it to you. And next one is daily active users. We have here, you can see that after the 7 days of activity, most people go to the 14 days activity, so they stay active, and that is very good.
Wow.
And the number of 7-day active users go down because they transfer to the upper branch. So it's a bit tricky to understand, but the main thing is it's good. Next, the user retention. It's like they like to call it cohort analysis. Here we have a dip, and don't worry, everyone has it. All the startups, all the organizations have it, because Most of the users that come to your website are just looking, and they won't come back on the day 2. So day 1 is like day 2 because we started day 0. And we have for the first day we have 12% user retention. That's not very good number yet, but we don't have enough data because I have started to gather it not long time ago. And hopefully with the help of Mothers of Community and our students, we will get this number very, very high very soon. Next one, it's a bit tricky. It's the frequency of returning visitors. So the number of sessions each user had. So you see that the only one session had almost 6,000 users. And here you can see the spike at 9:14 sessions and 15:25 here they are.
That's really cool. You know, because we did the frequency tables, maybe I will redo the frequency table daily data and instead use this data instead of the houses or the coffee, right? And just ask what is the mean and what is the median. Although it's a little tricky because with the number of sessions you have a range in 9 to 14.
Yeah.
Maybe we need the ranges are a bit trickier. Okay. And also there are 89 people who had more than 201 sessions. So whoever you are, you 89 women, you are amazing. You're basically taking everything, everywhere, consuming every piece of possible content. You are hardcore learners. Oh my gosh, I want to meet all of you, but you 89, I'm very curious about you.
So the next one is the device our students use, and we have almost identical 50-50 split between desktop and mobile plus.
Where do you see that? Sorry. Is that
it's here? You see the percent in the parentheses. Yeah, so 54% is desktop, 43% is mobile, and almost 2.5% is tablet. So yeah, we are mobile and we are desktop, and we want to satisfy all the devices there are.
I think we were discussing a little bit. I want to ask those who are watching right now, can you type in, if you're watching on YouTube, are you using a desktop? Please type in B. Or if you're using mobile, please type in mobile. What are you watching us on? Because on the one hand, I think the daily data or the little snippets and the videos can be consumed very well on mobile. But in the end, okay, maybe is desktop, Sana is mobile, Shalini desktop, Sidratul Montana mobile, Popa Agnes mobile. Well, interesting. Padima also practice desktop, Krishna Pancha mobile, Michelle Caballero desktop. Yeah, so the actual coding, on the other hand, I do think that if you really, really are dedicated, you might be able to do a little bit of coding on a mobile if you have an external an external keyboard, maybe, and a little bit of in-browser coding, but running data sets and running real coding, you will need a desktop. So yeah, okay, back to you.
Yeah, and next one is the acquisition channels, so where people will come from to our site. And the first one is direct. It's always the first one almost everywhere, because it's when Google Analytics cannot identify where you come from, and not identify, it means that you typed direct in your browser for the most of time the URL. Then the social and referral mostly social too. They're just not described here. So social is very active for us. And number 4 is organic search. That is really good because we are not currently investing in SEO. For those of you who know what it is. And that's pretty cool that people can find us generically. So I'm satisfied with this.
Wonderful.
So The rest of the report is the social stats. I just flip it through, and you see many graphs and many charts. And the main thing is that you are engaged and you comment and you react. And I enjoy communicating with all of you there, and hope to see even more spikes of activity. Especially on Instagram, because it's a new platform for me. Not very new, but considerably comparing to Twitter and Facebook. And I love to know if in chat would you like for us to make stories on Instagram. Please type.
Yeah. Okay. So please type into the chat. I asked for Instagram story if you think it would be cool.
And how to stop this share? Yeah.
Wonderful. Irina, this you're taking us to become data dragonesses. Everybody. It's actually quite nice because we are all in those statistics. So all of you watching, actually this is you creating something online, and it's for a women's cause. It's quite exciting. It will be, especially, I think. So I was doing a little research, and it seems like most bigger initiatives nowadays that survive, like Khan Academy or edX or so on, it took them about 6 to 8 years to be really mature, and we are really at the first year, and so it will be very interesting to see where this grows. So
Yeah.
Let's see the reactions. Instagram story. You got 3 sections. Fadima and Shalina are giving claps. Okay, I think that's it from us.
Yes.
Right. So, girls and ladies, be awesome. Monday, the descriptive statistics class is open to everybody, and we're going to broadcast it live.
4:15 or 6:15
Pacific time, 6:15 a.m. It is on the Google Calendar, so I hope to see all of you there live, coding and interacting together on the technical side. So thank you so much. This was Ilona Budapesti broadcasting to you live from San Jose, California. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.